Rich Future. This is the sale for the first t-shirts for our customer. I've made a sale for this money. We're still gonna make some money selling Rich Future t-shirts. We wanna be rich because the future is rich. Support local brand, supporter Rich Future. Sokwenzela ama t-shirts amahle ozowathanda, uwagqoke ushaye iswega Rich Future. I-t-shirt yokuqala siyidayisile, namhlanje si-Rich Future, asibuyele emuva, siya phambili, akukho kunye. Thank you for your support. Please support Rich Future t-shirt, all the clothing. Thank you for the sale. We're going forward. Thank you.